top 5 things I wish I knew as a new real estate investor. Number 1 is you don't have to go at it alone. You need to build a team, even if you don't plan on buying in the next couple of years. You need a realtor. You need a realtor who owns income producing real estate, who has flipped properties if that's what you're into, who are buying and holding if that's what you want to do. Whatever plan you want to do, short-term rentals, long-term rentals, fix and flip, whatever you want to do, these are the ones that you need to focus on. Every realtor can help you buying and selling investment properties, but you need someone who understands the intricacies of it, especially in the beginning stages of it. So you need your realtor. You need a lender who works with investors. A lot of lending institutions don't work a lot with investors, so you need one who has some creative financing options, who has different ways to allow you to get financing for these properties. When you find properties, if you plan on buying and holding long-term or short-term, you need a really good property manager who can help screen the tenants, who gets the right tenants in there, who manages everything for you, so you do nothing but focus on getting paid. And one of the bigger things, most important things that you need to in your corner is on your team is a mentor. You need someone who has did it longer than you, has did it better than you, and is more experienced and is willing to help educate you. So you're only as good as the 5 people you hang out with. And in investing, this is your team. This is the team that you're going to focus on. Number 2, educate yourself. There are so many books to read. There's so many podcasts to listen to. There's so many YouTube videos to watch. There's Facebook groups for investing. There's all this stuff that you can do to educate yourself. So make sure you're doing what it takes to educate yourself. Number 3, join a group of investors. Somehow get around people that are doing this. There's 2 types of real estate investors, and anybody who's invested in properties knows exactly what I'm talking about. One, you got guys who want to talk about it. The guys who have read the books, the guys who have did all the research, but they're never ever going to take action. Do not surround yourself with these guys. Surround yourself with the people who are actually taking massive action, who are doing what it takes to accumulate properties, to grow their financial wealth by owning real estate, buying and selling real estate. So make sure you're with the people that are doing the actions. Number 4, join a Facebook group or join like an REI group where you can meet with people. I run a Facebook group. It is called Real Estate Investing for Beginners and Intermediates, and it's basically built for people that are into real estate, getting into it, or they own less than 10 properties. And why this was good, this is when I was in that part of my career, this is when I had the most questions. This is when I needed the most help. This is when I needed the most guidance. So this is why I've created that group, and we put content in there, and content that would be relevant for me when I was in my journey at that stage. Number 5, let people know you're looking to buy. People in your sphere, people on your social media, people that you know, they need to know that you're looking to buy real estate. That's one thing I wish I would have started way earlier in my career, because you'll be surprised at the people who know someone wanting to buy or sell, someone who was left, someone passed away and left somebody a property, somebody who getting a divorce, they need to sell fast. There's a lot of things that can fall in your lap if people know what you're looking for. Again, guys, these are the top 5 things that I wish I knew as a new real estate investor. Go over to my Facebook group. My Facebook group is Real Estate Investing for Beginners and Intermediates. So come join the group, join in the conversation, ask some questions, enjoy the content. And if you need anything real estate investing, leave me a comment. I'll be happy to help. Remember, who you work with matters, and have a great day.